Hi there and welcome to this 7-day Tone and Transform program. My name is Suzanne Lawson and I'll be your yoga teacher for the duration of our 7 days together. So I prepared this practice because I've been looking at ways in which I myself can lose weight after a series of operations over the last few years. I've really started to feel that weight coming onto my tummy, and that's due to the menopause and hormonal health too. And I found this program which I have been doing religiously, and I've adapted it so that I could incorporate yoga into it too. I do love the connection between the yoga practice and then really hitting that mat and getting that bit of sweat on. Now it's only 20 minutes-ish each day, and we go through 3 different circuits each day, but in between all of our circuits we have rest periods. I will invite you to come and join me into a specific yoga posture that I feel will resonate with you at that time. However, it is a rest period, so if you want to rest, please feel free. So just to let you know that during this program, I did actually lose weight, but I also did a very high protein controlled diet at the same time. So I'm going to share with you in the details below the link to that diet so you can join me and try it out, see if it works for you. Obviously, we are all very same, but we are equally so very different, especially when it comes to hormonal health. So please just take your time, do what you can. Some of the postures are a little bit tricky, a little bit testing. I did struggle for the first few times, but you can come back to it, watch what I'm doing, maybe take it down a bit if it's too much, or just rest and relax and then come back to it later. So I really do hope that you find the benefits from this program that I have. It's really helped me to rid some of this fat from my belly, and I'll see you on the mat for day 1. Thanks for joining me. Namaste.